If you are looking for trash on OPPO Find X9, then we have a couple of ways that allow us to access the trash. First of all, we can go to the app drawer and you can open the My Files app. Over here, after scrolling all the way down, you should be able to find recently deleted. And over here, we can find pretty much everything that we removed in the last 30 days. And of course, we can press and hold our finger on something in order to select an item, a data, or anything. And then over here we can choose to, for example, recover selected files. Another way to access removed files is through the Files app, so another file manager, this time of course made by Google. Over here we can tap on these three lines in the top left corner, and over here we have bin. Unfortunately, these two trash options or places are not synchronized, so for example, if you removed something using an OPPO app, then it seems that you won't be able to find it in a Google app. Now over here we can also of course open the gallery, the Photos app, and if we switch to albums and scroll all the way down, we can also find recently deleted, and in this case unfortunately it seems that these files cannot be also found over here, so it seems that at least whatever you delete by using the My Files app, then you can actually find it only in the My Files app over there. And that is pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.